In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 2827e printer with the smartphone like iPhone. First step is to enter this printer into the setup mode. Go to the printer display panel, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button all together for 3 seconds. Once you see the power light flashing, release the buttons. Once you see the wireless light flashing, that means printer is ready for the setup. To complete the setup process, go to your smartphone and open the App Store. In the App Store, you can download the HP app that is here. I'll show you in the app section. Type in HP and you will see HP app. Select open or download. Once you open the app, we'll start the setup process. In the app, we have to add the printer. So click on the plus button on the top. Select setup a new printer. Select HP DeskJet 2827e series. Make sure your smartphone is already connected to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then click on the done. Press the flashing information button on the printer display panel, that is the I button. Continue the setup process. Click on the continue. Printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Click continue. If you want, you can select the printer privacy and you can accept everything, or you can just click on the decline optional data. If you want to activate the HP Plus, you can do that, or you can just click on the do not activate. So I'm just going to decline the HP Plus right now and click on the continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in now, or you can skip the account activation. Even then you can use the app and you can use your printer. If you want to enable the ink delivery, you can do that, or you can click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip the offer. For updates, I recommend to use auto update. If you want to print this page welcome sheet, you can do that, or you can skip even this and then click on the continue. You will see your printer with estimated level of ink, and now we can start using it. If you scroll down, you will see all the options like scanning, printing photos. So different options are here and we can start using it. For example, to do a scan, I can open the lid, place a page for the scanning. So just place it here on this corner, because for scanning it has to be here, and then scroll down, click on the scan icon and click on the scan button. Scan is done. If you want to add more pages, you can do that. Lift it from here, place the second page and click on the scan icon again. This will help you to scan multiple pages at once, and then we can save it as a JPEG if they are photos, or you can also save it as a single file for the PDF. Once all the scans are done, we will save it. So I have done 2 pages, you can do more. Once we are ready, click on this icon, that is the scanned page. It will process, and here we can see both the pages are there. Click on the share or save icon, and you can select if you want to save it as a basic PDF or JPEG or any other format. Once you are ready, give a name to your file on the top and click on the continue. On the next page, you will get all the options like email, message, whenever, wherever you want, you can do it. Click on the save to files and then click on the save icon. So that's the way we can do the scanning. So just go to the home, exit. For printing, you can select any document for the printing, like print document, or if you have any photo, you can do that and just click on the document type. Click on the print preview. You can change the number of copies and then click on the print. So I'm just going to load the paper. Paper output tray is there. So that's the setup of the printer with the iPhone, and then we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning using home Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.